Hey guys, so quick video on how you can cast your Oculus Quest to your Samsung TV. So the first thing you can do, you can use a Chromecast. So Chromecast are streaming devices you can use to cast to your phone or to your TV. And there are different models, they start about $29. So you're just gonna connect it to your HDMI on your TV. Then turn on your TV and select Chromecast source. Then you would connect the source on your Samsung TV. Then you're just gonna put your Oculus Quest and power it on. And then what you're gonna do, you just wanna open the camera app on it, and there you're gonna find Cast. So select Cast is the first option. And there you're gonna find a Chromecast on available devices. Or then you can, and you got it. And then using AirPlay or on iPhone or iPad. So turn on your Samsung TV. You're gonna install MetaQuest app on your iPhone or iPad. MetaQuest app. And then what you're gonna do, you're just gonna open the camera app, cast again, MetaQuest mobile app, next, start casting. So this is the same thing with what you would do, or the screen mirroring icon, Samsung TV that you're gonna have for your iPhone. Or another way, you can use also SmartThings app. So turn on Samsung TV, you would install the SmartThings on your phone, add a device, install MetaQuest, mirror screen, the same thing applies. So try these.